Hi, this is Liz, and I'm going to show you how to isolate your vendor fields to make it a little bit easier for you to import into QuickBooks Online so you don't have to manually enter each one as you're going through the bank feed. I've already opened the data file, the CSV file, and we may want to save this as something else, but we'll get to that in a little bit. First of all, I like to double click on these and get them all in good shape. So the first thing I suggest is copying this tab, and we'll just keep it in the same file. That way you don't lose any of your original data. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all the duplicates so we don't have too many records. If we sorted, we would just have all the duplicates and we'd have to delete each one. So I'm just going to delete this and delete these because we don't need these with what we're doing. All right, so if you have the current version of Excel, all you need to do is go to Data, double click on this, and remove duplicates. And since I just have one column, there you can see those two. So hit OK, and it's actually removed 544 duplicate values. So at this point, I probably would go ahead and sort and see what you got left. My list has headers, yes. All right. And what you'll want to do is get rid of any duplicates and maybe just edit some of these fields to make them more meaningful. So like I could just take out some of these and oops. Edit that. And you just go down the list and see, like for the 7-Eleven, I mean, there's obviously all these different locations. You only need one 7-Eleven. If you have something in particular that you want to keep separate, like say Amazon Digital or Amazon Marketplace, you could keep those two as different vendors, but I would get rid of all this junk on the end. And when you do get rid of some of this information, when you upload your detail, it's still going to have this in your description field. So we'll see that in a later video. So after you get this all cleaned up, you're going to want to um, just copy this, or excuse me, move it into a different file. We're going to do new book. And so that way we can save it as a CSV file. And I'm just going to hit save as. You can't see my whole screen, but hopefully you'll be able to now. And just look for the CSV extension and you're good to go. Now there's also another way that you can do this without, if you don't have the current version of Excel and if you don't see that this remove duplicates section, you can create a pivot table. You can go up to the top menu and summarize with pivot table. And this will select all of your data for you. And I like to put it in the new worksheet. And basically with this, you just put your description right into this rows, and then you can copy and paste these into a new tab. Because if you don't, it may have some of the pivot table come with it. So we're going to paste special and we're just going to do values. And then at this point, you can go through the same practice that we use to edit the rest of the information. And then you're ready to do what you need to do with it. I hope this video helped.